Hello dear learners, in today's video we are going to see about the aluminium smelting, chemical industry, fertilizer industry under the chapter manufacturing industries. Let's get started. What is meant by smelting? Smelting, it is a process by which a metal is obtained either as the element or as a simple compound from its ore by heating beyond the melting point, ordinarily in the presence of oxidizing agents. Aluminium smelting, it is the second most important metallurgical industry in India next to iron and steel industry. Thus, it plays a crucial role in the industrial development of the country. The properties that made aluminium a universally accepted metal are: it is a light metal, its elasticity, its flexibility, the resistant to corrosion, good conductivity of electricity and heat, and its capacity to be modulated into any desired shape. And this metal, when it is mixed with other metals, it becomes even more stronger. It is widely used in the industries including manufacturing of aircrafts, architectural activities, defense, household utensils, packaging, manufacturing wires, coins. Aluminium, it has gained the popularity as a substitute to several other metals like steel, copper, zinc, and lead in a large number of industries. For the production of 1 ton of aluminium, it requires approximately 4 to 6 tons of bauxite. The bauxite is the raw material used in the smelters. It is a very bulky, dark, reddish colored rock. And it also requires for 1 ton of aluminium, 2 tons of alumina, and here about 30 to 40% of the production cost of aluminium is accounted for electricity alone. It clearly shows that the availability of bauxite and the regular supply of electricity are the two most significant factors which influence the location of this industry. Aluminium smelting plants in the country are located in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Aluminium smelting plants are the National Aluminium Company Limited, the Bharat Aluminium Company Limited, the Madras Aluminium Company Limited, the Indian Aluminium Company Limited. India was almost self-sufficient with respect to supplies of aluminium, but as the demand for aluminium has increased, India has started importing aluminium. Next, we'll see about the chemical industries. In India, it is fast growing and diversifying. So here with over 80,000 products, the Indian chemical industry is one of the most diversified sectors. And it is also fast growing because it is the major contributor to the Indian economy. And here the chemical industry, it has a rapid growth in organic and inorganic sectors. The chemical industry is its own largest consumer. That is, this chemical industry is unique that it consumes its own products. In fact, it consumes 1/3 of the product produced by the same industry. So this is the reason for why we are saying it is a fast growing industry. Now we'll see about the inorganic chemicals and the organic chemicals. The inorganic chemical industries are widely spread over the country. Here it includes the sulfuric acid, which is used to manufacture the fertilizers, synthetic fibers, plastics, adhesives, paints, dye stuffs, and the nitric acid, alkalis, the soda ash. Soda ash, it is used to make the glass, soaps and detergents and also paper. And the caustic soda, it is widely used to manufacture paper, soap, textile, in water purification, etc. Now we'll see about the organic chemicals. The organic chemical plants are located near the oil refineries or the petrochemical plants. Here it includes the petrochemicals, which is used to manufacture the synthetic fibers, synthetic rubber, plastics, dyestuffs, drugs and pharmaceuticals. Next we'll see about the fertilizer industry. So Indian soils are generally, it is deficient in the fertilizing elements, namely the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and they do not give high yields. So here there is the essential to feed the soils with the chemical fertilizers so that their productivity increases. So this fertilizer industry, it is centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea, and phosphatic fertilizers and ammonium phosphate, and the complex fertilizers which have a combination of nitrogen, phosphate and potash. Here the potash, it is entirely imported, as we don't have any reserves of commercially usable potash or potassium compounds in any form. So there was the significant contribution made by the chemical fertilizers can be seen from the impact of the Green Revolution on Indian agriculture. So the industry expanded to several other parts of the country. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala contributes towards half of the fertilizer production. Other significant producers are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra, Assam, West Bengal, Goa, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Yes, dear learners, in the next video we will be seeing in detail about the cement industry, information technology and electronic industry in detail. Thank you, children.